So much going on. All right, let's do it. Ready? Yeah. Guys, my voice is a little bad today. Okay. Do you have the AirPods?
No.
Oh, fuck it.
I couldn't really listen yesterday. I kept like
really?
buzzing.
Oh, okay then. Fuck it.
Like using my phone.
All right, let's do it. Ready?
Yeah.
Guys, my voice is a little bad today.
Oh.
It got worse. A little sick today, guys, but we have a special guest. You.
I know.
All right, we're gonna go for a little ride, guys. You good? Oh, let me put that in here. God damn, what the fuck is this?
It's my perfume.
Okay. All right, let's get going. My buddy's like right there waiting for me, so we're gonna meet up with Jonathan R1M. Nice bike. He just got it tuned, so let's get on this. You remember how to do this? Okay, I'm gonna get on first. Go ahead. All right, it is Saturday morning. We're off for a good ride. Oh, I hear a bike. Oh, there he is. He's here. My boy Jonathan over there, he's like 21 years old with an R1M. Yeah, he's Asian, very shy. Girls, get at him ASAP Rocky. He is single, ready to mingle. What's up, dude? Ready? Oh my god, it pops way more. Under the tunnel and red bump. Red bump. You good? Oh, that shit looks hard. I feel like I kind of like got all the bikes twisted. Which one's your favorite bike? All right, be honest. Which one looks the best? My God, SC Project just sounds loud as hell. All right, so after the tune, let's see. It's way more reactive. Taking off. I just had to get all my shit together. Right there's what's hurting? It's not your underwear? You sure?
Bicycles.
Yeah.
Bike seats, like I have to change everyone.
What the fuck? Okay. So she's saying she's hurting herself every time she's on the bike.
You're not used to it because you're the rider.
Yeah.
You sit on this.
Maybe curve your back more. Curve your back like that. Yeah, curve your back. Yeah, like that. You have to go. Yeah. That's how you gotta ride.
Like the more open, the
Yeah.
it hurts less.
I don't know. I think you might have to just like curve your back. Yeah, arch your back a little bit. just arch your back. You'll be fine.
I tried. I don't want to arch it too much.
Okay. You good? You feeling good though, right? It's fun?
Yeah, it's so fun.
Hey, do guys with motorcycles get girls or not? You think they do?
Motorcycles?
Yeah. They do?
Yeah.
Oh shit, you guys heard it. Oh shit! are doing wheelies behind. I think we're missing some people. I think you gotta slow down, look. You gotta slow down, I think. God damn, these guys can really, bro. They move these bikes like they only weigh like 20 pounds, bro. I gotta have a long enough video to post on YouTube. Would this be long enough? I'm not sure. I can think. All right, Gixxer 1000 parked right next to me. Like stretch this right here, like this. Yeah. Well, that's a stop here. Oh, try to get in the video. Get in the video, yes sir. There he goes, 12 o'clock. Oh, that's it. I hate being behind this guy. He's gonna fall. I'm gonna hit him. You gotta be careful with these guys. They're slowing down hella crazy on the turn. Motorito on the MT-09 SP model, not just a regular bike. Alright, here we go. Cutting through some traffic. Once again, we got Sandy. Oh yeah, Sandy's leading the point right now. I mean, she's definitely revving her fucking bike. Put it on for me. It's still learning. There you go. There you go. Okay. What the heck? Yo, that shit, oh, Ducati. All right, so here we got the 2022 Gixxer 1000 tuned, full exhaust, SC Project exhaust. The wrap is off. Now it's got a little bit of details, nothing crazy. I don't know, I might take that off right there, that gold. I only left it because it kind of matches the suspension in the front, but we're gonna leave it for now. We are gonna take it off later on. As of right now, this is how the bike sits. We've got some good canyon runs with the bike. It's been doing good after the suspension got fixed. It's been like about a year that I've had the bike, and so far everything has been good. Haven't gotten any major problems. The battery gave out, and the suspension, I somehow cracked the suspension hitting a pole. And yeah, that was it for the suspension. But bike is fixed now. It's running good. Waiting for a new color change. The fastest group out here. Oh my god, I'm coming way too hot. Gixxer, you can do it. Come on, Gixxer 1000. saying, guys. I'm not. I'm just a guy who comes out here sometime when I got time. But I can push the bike if I have to.